Place the silicone mat on your workbench. Then, position the ColorJet Nano in the designated area, ensuring it is leveled properly. Insert the drip drawer into the device. After connecting the power cable, switch on the device using the power button located at the back. Once the device initializes, select your preferred language, as well as the current time and date. Insert the waste tube at the back of the device and route it to your external waste container. On the display, choose your preferred staining method. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect all tubes to the tube connectors at the back of the device. Always ensure that the air port remains open and unconnected. Fill a container with distilled water, insert the tubes, and start the system cleaning process. Once complete, check the drip drawer for any excess fluids. Begin the step-by-step valve calibration. Fill a 40 milliliters container or similar with 1 milliliter scale. Start the calibration process. Enter the consumed amount in the interface and record it in the IQ, OQ, PQ document or notebook. Save the calibration and repeat for all remaining valves. Connect the selected reagent to the designated valve port, one after another, using the quick tube connector as shown on the display. Scan the QR code on each reagent using the scanner on the left side of the device. The filling volume, lot number, and expiry date will be automatically transferred to the system after confirmation. After a successful scan of the reagent, connect the Lua lock connectors and place the reagent bottle at the back of the device. Repeat for all necessary reagents. If the staining method requires distilled water, fill the supplied empty bottle with distilled water and enter the corresponding amount in the system. Connect the Lua lock connectors and place the bottle at the back of the device. To activate the system, load the credits by holding the credits card included in the system kit near the NFC symbol on the display. Next, press Prime to fill the tubes with reagent. Ensure that each reagent is fully drawn into the system. Choose your preferred staining application. You can adjust the incubation time to customize the staining outcome. Check that the slide tray is undamaged by inserting and ejecting it once. Then, insert the prepared slides into the slide tray. Ensure that all slides are securely positioned before inserting the tray into the ColorJet Nano. Press Start and let the ColorJet Nano prepare the perfect stain for you. No further action is needed until the process is complete. Once the staining is finished, the tray will eject automatically and the system will begin its self-cleaning cycle. Remove the slide tray with the stained slides and place them on the silicone mat to dry. Congratulations! The ColorJet Nano is now fully set up and ready for further use.